Yo, what's going on, Docs gang? We lit back for another video, and today we're gonna be doing something a little bit fun, kind of fun. Not gonna be doing any type beats today. We're gonna get back to that another day. What we're gonna be doing today is a stock plugin challenge. I know y'all seen hella producers on the internet do this before, like Sharpie and them. But I'm gonna do stock plugin challenge. So no Omnisphere, no Nexus, no Electra, none of that. We're just gonna use all the plugins that come with that are offered with FL Studio, like Citrus and all that. So it should be fun. I do not see a good outcome for this, but who knows? We'll find out. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like. Don't forget, share this with your friends. Let them know about Docs Gang. Tell them how lit this is. Just trying to get to the top. Don't forget to leave comments in the comment section on videos I should do in the future. You know how it is. I'm gonna reply to all your comments. You guys know this. I always reply to your comments. Don't forget to subscribe, of course. Join Docs Gang if you're new. Don't forget to turn on post notifications as well, because I do live stream a lot and I do review beats when I live stream. So your beat could be reviewed by me next. Who knows? So yeah. Don't forget about that. Oh, and don't forget, I got my free drum kit or sound kit bundle. You can check that out. Link in the description. Go download that immediately. And yeah, let's get into this video. I'm gonna go on my computer. We'll see y'all there. Alright, so we're back on my computer for this stock plugin challenge. And man, this is gonna be a tough one. So, of course, since this is a stock plugin challenge, I cannot use Omnisphere, Nexus, none of these. You see these? I cannot use any of these. So this is gonna be very hard. So I'm assuming, I guess Citrus is gonna be my best friend in this. But I gotta lay down a melody first. You know how it is. We gotta lay down a melody first. I'm gonna use FL keys. It is a stock plugin. It's an FL plugin, so I'm gonna use it. And of course I gotta open up Citrus. Replace Citrus. Oh, this is gonna be tough. Oh my god, it's gonna be weird. Oh god, okay. Alright, let's go to FL keys. Let's get a melody real quick. Oh my gosh, I hate this sound. It sounds too plain. Okay, cool. We got a melody. This is a nice, simple melody. Kind of. Alright. Jesus Christ. Citrus. Okay, thank God Citrus has all these presets, because I was not about to. Actually, yeah, thank God. I'm just. Okay, cool. So. Okay, I don't even know how to use Citrus. Okay, so. How do you turn off that phaser? Okay, this sounds kind of cool. Kind of. Alright, let's see what Grossbeat can do to this. This is sounding kind of cool, but I need reverb, and you know what? Fruity reverb. Let's go. Wow. That sounds very cool. That sounds really good, actually. Holy crap. Okay. Do I have Sakura? Let me see if I have Sakura. Okay. Wait, this is a stock plugin, right? Right? Yeah. Oh, let's see some pads. I like these ones. Cherry Blossom's nice. Okay, you know what? This is not bad so far. I'm enjoying this. Kind of. Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna add some bounce to the pad. Okay, of course we're gonna have to use the one and only, the beloved girls beat on literally everything because just, yeah. Can I add reverb from Sakura? I bet you I can, but I don't know what any of this means, so I'm not even gonna bother. Oh, let me turn on the wet. Damn, this is so quiet. Wow, I need to EQ this? Are you serious? And I'm gonna EQ this, of course, as well because it's also very quiet. You know what? I want to explore more, what's it called, sounds. I'm very curious. I want to explore more Citrus sounds because I feel like Citrus probably has some better pads than Sakura. Bass, I don't think I need that right now. Okay. Okay. Oh wait, it's not even on. Nope. Moogish, no. Okay, why do I need to add reverb? That's probably because I don't know how to use Citrus, so. Damn, let me slow this down, at least. No. What is going on? Okay, you know what? I guess that doesn't work. Jesus, what? You know, maybe we don't need a pad. Maybe a pad is not what we need. Maybe we need some keys. A piano, no. Oh God. Okay. Hard. Okay. Definitely not that sound. Why is everything so loud? I could. Okay, this beat's coming along kind of nice. So. Let's. Wow, this melody is nice. I gotta EQ this real quick though. Let's bring out some drums. Bring out the drum. This should be fun. Okay, let me get this snare. Okay, these drums are trash. Alright, back to this one. Alright. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait for that 808. Alright, I think the 808 pattern is nice and done, so we're just gonna octave down. Alright, nice. Kicks. Time to roll in the kicks. Here we go. And bang, bang, bang. And that's about it. And I guess that's it. It came out a lot better than I expected. There's your stock plug-in beat. So it just goes to show you don't need a whole bunch of what's it called? A whole bunch of expensive VSTs to make some dope beats. So there you go. Just need to be creative. Even though I only use gross beat and reverb from all my sounds. But yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you leave it a like. Don't forget, leave comments on videos I should do in the future. You know, I'm always looking at your guys' comments, replying everything. I'm gonna reply to all yours. So yeah, make sure you leave a comment. Don't forget to share this with your friends. Tell them about Docs Gang. You know how it is. Don't forget, you can cop my free sound kit bundle. Links in the description. You know how it is. It's free. You're not gonna want to miss that. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Of course. Join Docs Gang. What you doing? Why are you not subscribed? Subscribe. Press the red subscribe button down there. Stop watching the video. Press the button. Subscribe. All right. Join the family. Docs Gang. You know how it is. Don't forget to turn on post notifications as well. And that's it. And once again, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. And I'm gonna see y'all next time. Peace.